level that they need or the country needs to defend against cyber attacks. So that was notable also, that he had that specific number in his head and he talked to us about it. That was something that we hadn't heard before.
S&P futures down 6. This is CBS News.
WCBS Transit Alert. More information now coming in about this minor derailment less than an hour ago at Penn Station. Minor derailment, but we're hearing of some delays now. Let's go to Tom Kaminsky with the latest.
Yeah, just a minute ago, we got the official word from New Jersey Transit. They are saying to anticipate up to 20 minutes both into and out of New York Penn Station, and that's everything. Northeast Corridor, North Jersey Coastline, Midtown Direct, and Morris and Essex, that all because of a derailment that happened about 5:18 this morning. An empty train, possibly a work train, so one track is still occupied there. No injuries at all being reported, but again, 20-minute delays on everything into and out of New York Penn Station. We'll keep you posted. I'm Tom Kaminsky in the WCBS Traffic Center.
Weather story for today. It's going to be nice after some early morning showers over Long Island and parts of coastal Connecticut. Later on today, sunshine emerging, humidity dropping, the high of 83. We're at 73 right now in New York. WCBS News Time 6:04. The odds of winning are astronomical, but that's not going to keep people who are feeling lucky from buying a Powerball ticket today, because the jackpot tonight just reached $700 million. It may go beyond that. Let's go to WCBS reporter Paul Murnane checking things out from Portland.